After a long, hard day at work, are you feeling a little bit like death? I have the remedy. You need a corpse reviver. Corpse revivers are said to be strong enough to wake the dead. There's also a bit of mythology around their use of absinthe, which was thought to be a hallucinogen. It's actually not true in the end. But they are an amazing cocktail that gives you that lift between your workday and your party night. In fact, corpse revivers are a perfect balance between sweet, strong, sour, and perfume, which makes them, by the book, the perfect cocktail. Hi, I'm Claire Tansey, the author of Dinner Uncomplicated and the creator of Kitchen Uncomplicated, a club that's part cocktail party, part cooking class, and all chill backyard barbecue vibe. To make a corpse reviver, you'll need 3/4 of an ounce of gin, 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec, 3/4 of an ounce of Lillet, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, a coupe, and a little spritzer of absinthe. Here's how to make one authentic corpse reviver number 2. Start with a shaker filled with ice and add 3/4 of an ounce of gin, 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec, three-quarters of an ounce of Lillet, three-quarters of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and then stir. Grab your favorite coupe and spritz with absinthe. Now just strain the cocktail in. And that is one perfect corpse reviver. Whew! Now that is a serious pick-me-up. And if you like this and you really want to up your cocktail game in general, sign up for my Cocktails Masterclass. We're going to be learning some classics, some swim-up bar favorites, even some ladies' night specials. We'll also learn the 3 basic principles that are the foundation of every single cocktail out there, and we'll talk about adjusting for mocktails as well. We'll also cover the essential gear you need for making cocktails and dig into the history of cocktails, plus what's behind the recent renaissance of cocktails. And I will show you how to make my famous sweet and spicy kettle corn, my all-time favorite cocktail snack, because it's easy, it's fast, and it pairs with every single cocktail out there. I hope to see you there. And by the way, subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm releasing a whole series of classic, authentic cocktails. You know, life is cocktails. Life is complicated. Cocktails shouldn't be. Happy drinking.